This video is the tutorial of setting server management. The first thing you should do is to open network settings, change adapter settings, then right click Ethernet, then properties, then double click Internet Protocol version 4, then use the following address. Then type IP address 192.168.12 and for subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and default gateway 192.168.11. Then for preferred DNS server, type 192.168.12, then click OK, click OK again. Then go to Server Manager, click Add Roles and Features, then click Next, Next again, then check Active Directory Domain Services, then Next again, then Install. Then wait until the Active Directory Domain Services installed. Then after that, go to this PC, right click white space or white background, then properties, change settings, then click change, then change the computer name into server, then click OK, then close and restart the PC. Then go to Server Manager again, click Add Roles and Features, then Next again, then check DHCP server, DNS server, print and document services, and remote desktop services. Then next again, next also, then next again, then check remote desktop session host, then then install and close. Then wait until the 4 you checked earlier be installed. After that, go to the notifications, click promote this server to a domain controller, then click add new forest, then put a domain name div.com, then click next, then put a password, then click next, next again, next, next again, then next, then next again. If the result is failed, restart the PC and do the same process. after that, open Server Manager, go to DHCP, then right click Server, then go to DHCP Manager, right click IPv4, then go New Scope, then next, change the name into Scope 1, then next, then put a start IP address 192.168.150, then the end IP address is 192.168.100. Then click next again, then the list duration must be 8 days, then next, then click yes, I want to configure this option now, then next, then for the router default gateway, type 192.168.1.1, then add, then click next again, then next again, then click yes, activate this scope now, then next and finish. Then click scope options, right click scope options, then go to configure options, then check 003 router, then right click scope options again, then configure options, then check 006 DNS server, then set an IP address, type 192.168.12, then add, then click yes, apply, then OK and close. To Server Manager, then click Tools, then click Active Directory Users and Computers, then expand your domain or bib.com, then right click bib.com, then New and Organizational Unit, change name into IT Department, then OK, then right click bib again, then New Organizational Unit, then name HR Department, then OK, right click bib again, then New Organizational Unit, then name Finance Department. Then click Users, right click Administrator, copy, then for first name, put IT, then also in full name, IT, then user logon name, IT also, then next, then put a password, admin, at exclamation point, then check always, password never expires, then next. Same process to HR and finance. after that, drag or put IT users inside IT department, then click yes. Also drag HR to HR department, and also finance department, drag finance, then yes. Then right click IT department, new, go to group, then change group name into IT group, then OK. Then right click IT department, go to new, then user, then set first name into Bib, also full name into Bib, and also user logon name into Bib, and put a password admin at exclamation point. Then check always, password never expires. Then double click IT group, then go to members, then add, type the users, type IT, then check names, then OK, then type again the other user, Bib, then check names, add the two users, then click OK, then apply, then OK. Same process with HR and finance department. To Server Manager, Tools, then click Group Management, then expand your domain, t.com, then right click IT Department, then create GPO in this domain and link it here. Then the name of the folder is folder redirection, then OK, then right click folder redirection, then edit, double click user, then configuration, then policies, then Windows settings, and folder directions. Right click desktop, go to properties, then set the settings into basic redirect. Then click Start, type or search Disk Management, then click Create and Format, then right click C Drive, then shrink volume, then enter the amount of space to shrink in MB, make it 30,000, then shrink, then right click Unallocated, then new simple volume, then click Next, then click Next, also click Next, then change volume level into local disk or local, then Next, then Finish. click or go inside the local, then right click background, then new, create a folder. The folder name is users, then click users or go inside the users, then create 3 folder name: IT department, HR department, and finance department. Then go back to users, right click users, then properties, go to sharing, click share, click drop down, and choose everyone. Then add, make or change everyone into read to everyone, then read and write, then share, then click don't change settings, then done and close. Go inside the users, right click IT department, then properties, go to sharing, then copy the network path, then go back to desktop, then right click desktop, then properties, then paste the network path in root path, then apply, yes, and OK. Same process with documents. Right click documents, go to properties, then set the settings into basic redirect, then paste the network path on root path, then apply, yes, and OK. Same process again with pictures. Right click pictures, then properties, then set the settings into basic redirect, then paste the network path on root path, then apply, yes, then OK. Go back to group policy management, then do the same step. Right click HR department, create GPO, then folder redirection 1, then OK, then right click the folder redirection 1, then edit, user configuration, policies, go to Windows settings, then select folder redirection, right click desktop, then properties, then set the settings into basic redirect, then go to PC, then local disk, go to users, then right click HR department, go to properties, then go to sharing, copy the network path, then paste to desktop properties root path, then apply, yes, then OK. Go back to group policy management, right click Finance Department, then create GPO, then create folder redirection to, then OK, right click folder redirection to, then edit, then user configuration, policies, Windows settings, then folder redirection, then right click the desktop, then go to properties, then set the setting into basic redirect, then go to this PC, enter local disk, and enter users, right click Finance Department, then go to properties, then click sharing, then copy the network path, then paste to desktop, then right click desktop, properties, then paste the root path of Finance Department, then apply, yes, then OK. Same process with documents and pictures of Finance Department. Then go to Start, search CMD or command prompt, then type gpupdate/force. Once updated successfully appeared, then you can restart the PC. Click Start, then search Print Management, then expand Print Servers, also expand the server local, then right click Printers, then add printer. Click add a new printer using an existing port, then next, then next again, then choose manufacturer, Epson, then choose printer, Epson ESC/P.RB4 plus driver, then click next, then change the name of the printer into Bib, then click next, then next again, then click finish. Right click the printer name Bib, then go to deploy with group policy, then browse, select default domain policy, then OK, then check the two box, then click add, and then apply, then click OK, then OK again. Go to Open Network Settings, then Open Network and Sharing Center, then change Adapter Settings, then right-click Local Area Network, then go to Properties, double-click Internet Protocol version 4, then click Use the following IP address, then type IP address 192.168.1.3. The subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then the default gateway, type 192.168.1.2. Then for preferred DNS server, type 192.168.1.2. Then OK, then click OK again. Go to Start, then Computer, then right-click white background or white space, then Properties, click Change Settings, then click Change, choose domain bib.com, then OK, then put username administrator, then password admin !, then click OK. Once the welcome to CSS domain appear, then you can restart the PC. Click Switch User, then Other User, log in your username, IT, then put your password admin !. Go to Start, then Computer, go to or go inside the local disk or T drive. You should see the IT user inside the IT department. Then go inside the IT, Desktop, then Continue, Security tab, then click Advanced, Continue, find a click, change, type administrator, then check names. Choose administrators with S, then OK, click OK again, then apply, then OK, 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 then close the error. Enter again inside Desktop, Continue, then create folder. Click Start, then search and go to Devices and Printers. Then right-click the printers you've created, bib.server, then Printer Properties, then Print Test Page, then close, then go to your server. On your server side, you will see how many print they click. Once your client and server is connected, If you create a folder on your client side, it will show in server side. Then if you create a folder on your server side, it will show in your client side. Go to Open Network, change adapter setting, then right-click Local Area Connection, then go to Properties, double-click IPv4, then click Obtain an IP address automatically, then click Obtain DNS server address automatically, then OK, then OK. Set up your cable and your router. On your client side, go to Start, then type CMD, then type the command ipconfig, then it will show the IP address. Go to Explorer, then search your default gateway 192.168.0.1. Then log in the account, username admin, then the password is also admin. Change the wireless network name in anything you want. And also set a password. Wait until the system is fully rebooted. And after that, you can see someone who is connected to your Wi-Fi. And you can now go to your server manager to back up your data or file.